Another trip in the San Bernardinos today, and man is it hot out here, so hoping to find some good waterfalls and swimming holes. On some kind of old maintenance road out here. Doesn't look like it's driven on very much anymore. It's all cracked and weeds growing out of it. But it makes for an easy way down to the water, so that's nice. All right, made it down to the creek and we got water, so that always makes me happy. Awesome. This is a dense canyon. It's not too far to the pools, but at this rate, it's gonna take like an hour. Oh man. Especially with all the gear. Everything just wants to get snagged. Whew. Ah, found a little shortcut right outside the canyon here. That canyon's as dense as they come, that's for sure. So hopefully I can stay on the edge of the bank like this to make it a little bit easier. But looks like that's closing up too. Worth a try. Oh, canyon finally widened up a little bit, so now I can at least walk without ducking the whole way. Thank goodness. This sucker right in front of me, stinging nettle. That stuff freaking sucks. I'm gonna stay away from that. Luckily there's not too much yet, but that's a pretty big one. Well, this is pretty crazy. Definitely some bears out here. Look at this tree. See where they went to go climb it. Look at those claw marks. Yeah, that's crazy. It's a big spring right here. I can tell by just the plant species. You can see the water in there. Looks like it flows from up there somewhere. I'm gonna see if I can find the source, because fresh groundwater is the best. And now see, here's what I'm talking about. I can just fill up my bottle right out of this. Comes right out of the ground. The creek's opened up quite a bit now, and mostly sunny, and dang, it's hot. So hopefully there's a spot to at least chill off. I hear a waterfall. That's always such a welcome sight. Hopefully there's a pool below it. Soon to find out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And you know what? It might be a good water slide too. Double combo here. All right, let's see if we can climb up this waterfall. It's a little tricky, a little dangerous too, so we'll see. Okay, climbed up that first part. This is pretty sheer right here though, so trying to not fall down that. Woo! Cool though. All right, made it to the top. Wasn't too bad. Nice view. Found a nice little grotto. I'm just gonna stay here all day. The water's perfect. Slide time. Woo! Oh yeah, so awesome. Alrighty, saying goodbye to this awesome spot. Definitely gonna come back more after some rains. Super cool always finding natural water slides. They're one of the rarest things, especially in SoCal. Alrighty, made it out of the west fork of the canyon, back into the conjunction of the canyons now. Super awesome spot. I want the water again, it's hot now. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed. Till next time.